In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your description in your YouTube videos. So first you go to Video Manager. Then what you want to do is click on one of your videos. And we're going to look at this one. We're going to go to Edit. I'm going to show you. You notice that I got all this information right here in my video. So I'm going to go back. And you can do this in bulk also. So I'm going to just do one of them just to give you an example. So you click on that, go to Actions, go to Description, and you want to set to. So what this do, it erase everything you have in your description and replace it with whatever you type in. And we're going to submit this. And it takes a few seconds on the pending. Once that's done, we're going to go back to the description of this video, and I'm going to show you what happened. You're going to hit Edit. As you notice that in the description, it removed everything and it replaced it with whatever I type. So be careful when using this. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel.